this tutorial you will learn how to download and install Diablo 4 on the Xbox app and Xbox Game Pass in Windows 11 and Windows 10. First, open your Xbox app. Search for Diablo. Click on Diablo 4. Press Install. Press Install Battle.net. Wait for Battle.net to be installed. Press Yes. Log in to connect your Xbox Game Pass account to Battle.net. Now log into your Battle.net account. Press Confirm to confirm your connection. Press Continue. Now press Install. Select your installation drive, then press Continue. Press Start Install. At the bottom of your Battle.net launcher, you will see the progress of your installation. Now launch your game.